See, I knew he was gonna say that nonsense.
Smell fresh.
That smells like chocolate.
Tombo, Tombo, we can Waka. Tombo, Tombo, we can Waka. Tombo, Tombo, we can Waka. Tombo, Tombo, we can Waka.
South America.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Fake ass Dave Chappelle.
Hey.
See, I knew he was gonna say that nonsense.
Smell fresh.
That smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
I could eat these shoes.
You can eat
So
those
white.
shoes.
Do I have to wear them? No, you just gotta put them in the closet and just leave them.
Nah, you gotta rock them. That's why
I
you.
don't want to make them dirty, man.
That's why you got them.
So shiny.
Such a beast.
Buy new books at the bookstore and you just never want to open them because it's just so new and they smell so fresh. Okay. It's a cozy fit. My toe is like right there. There's a little bit of space up the top.
Okay. Do you like space or no space?
It depends on what I'm doing.
Okay.
So like if it's just like casual stuff, no space is fine. But if it's like running shoes or something I'm gonna do some activity in, you want a little bit more.
Okay. These are
And then
shoes
it also depends like
you need to be dancing with and all that, you know, looking cool. So
yeah, it also depends on the sock. Like these are thicker, like hiking. That can also make a difference.
Depends on how you're dancing the club. It's kind of like a sway at the bar kind of guy. So
Oh, really?
it'll be fun.
How do you know? Got some space there.
okay.
Hey, 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 hey. Come to him.
God. So is that your size? 13 true to size?
This is true to size.
Yeah. For US 13 men's. Okay. So no thick socks.
Yeah, no big socks.
Okay. Hey, what the hell? This man got moves. Hey, dude, don't fall.